Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a cute little what's in my bag video because the last time you saw me I was showing you what fit inside of my Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. We got a new bag and I want to show you guys the goods. I'm nosy, you're nosy. Sit down, relax, let's jump into the important details. This is my Coach Empire carryall 34. I got her in the loved leather because I was obsessed. I love vintage looking, distressed looking things, so I knew that this was the bag for me the moment I laid eyes on her. I actually was going to wait until Christmas to get her, however they told me that she was coming off the shelves in November, so I was like, I have to make a quick decision. And they were like, yeah, you either have until November or until it sells out. And I was like, you shouldn't have told me that, because once they told me that once it sells out it's not coming back, I knew I had to get my hands on this bag, so I got her. It's been about maybe 2 weeks with her so far. I love her. I think she is the perfect everyday bag. She fits quite a lot. She is definitely entered my bag rotation. I think that she's perfect for the fall winter months and even beyond. Like, I can definitely see myself still wearing this bag during the summer. Just put on some cute fun charms, you know, just make it yours. I'm a simple girl, so I only did one charm in addition to the one that comes with it. This one came with it. It is a little Coach key as well as a little C and obviously the traditional Coach tag. All of the loved leather bags, whether it's the Empire carryall, the Tabby, the Brooklyn, doesn't matter, they come with a charm on it, which is what makes the loved leather a tad bit more expensive than the other versions of the bag. And then I went and bought this vintage styled coin pouch from Etsy. It says ramen money on it. I also got one that says pickle money. I thought the yellow just looked really cute with the loved leather, and you know, I love ramen, so it was pretty much a no-brainer for me. Let's get to what's inside of the bag, and let's also find out if she is Kindle approved. If you have a Kindle, I don't know, IDK. I do have her kind of packed, so let's get into it. She comes with a little key hook, which I definitely love because I always lose my keys in my bags. I love bags that have this. So first, my keys, that's what's in my bag. I also keep a pen because you never know when you may need to sign something, especially with checks. Sometimes when I go to restaurants, the waiters' pens don't really be working, so I got a pen. This is my Louis Vuitton X Murakami wallet. You guys have seen her before. She's a fave. Honestly, I don't switch out my wallets too often until I get a new one. She's here, as well as my Beats earbuds. This is the Beats x Kim Kardashian collab version. I love them because I love the colorway. It just blends in with my skin tone, so nobody ever knows I have earbuds in. I have my baby blockers. Y'all know how I feel about this. You guys know I keep it in every bag. I never miss a day. We blocking them out, okay? X on the play. And lastly, I keep 2 pouches in here. We're gonna go through this one first because there's less things in here. This is my Kindle pouch. I got this pouch from Etsy. It says Chianti's Kindle on it. So cute, I'm obsessed. And it carries my Kindle Paperwhite. This is either the 10th or the 11th version. I can't really remember which one it is, but it holds it, it's perfect, it fits, so the bag is Kindle approved. And I also keep my Digicam in there. This is my Sony CyberShot DSCW650. I love this camera. I've recently switched her out as my everyday camera compared to carrying my G7X everywhere. So if you're in the business looking for a new camera, this is one that you should consider. It's super good, I promise. And she's actually new to my collection, so. Also for my Twilight girls, look at how cute my pop socket is. The skin of a killer. I also got that pop socket from Etsy. I'll make sure to list my Etsy stores in the caption as well in case you may want something that you may see. Nothing grinds my gears more than when I want something I see in a video and I can't find it. Lastly, I have my yellow road pouch that I got with the summer kit. It carries all of like my makeup essentials essentially. Let's dig in. I have a Burt's Bees chapstick. Sometimes you just want a basic chapstick. I have 3 road peptides. This is sugar cookie, lemon tea, and vanilla cake. Vanilla cake is my all-time favorite. I'm not even gonna lie, but lemon teeny is a close contender. I have a Josie Maran little lotion pouch. I have a little MAC compact mirror. I have a little perfume oil and a Tide stick. I keep them in this plastic bag because you never know, something may spill. And lastly, I have my current lip combo, which is the Maybelline lifter liner in the shade Cross the Line and the MAC lip gloss air in the shade Snobbish. The perfect pinky nude kind of lip. Trust me, it's so good. It's literally so good. And even with my 2 pouches, she zips with no problem. So if you were on the fence about this bag, I love her. I did see some videos where some people have kind of gotten some slouch in their empires, which I'm super excited for. I can't wait until she kind of loses her shape a little bit and looks a little bit more lived in. I feel like with the loved leather, that'll look so good. But yes, leave your thoughts below on what you think about this bag. If you're considering on getting it, if you got something else, I want to know all the deets. Otherwise, that's it for now. So until next time, bye.